Okay, guys. Here I just have the case study that I came up with. So it reads, Tina is a 32-year-old white female. She's also a successful businesswoman. Every day before work and before going to bed, she performs self-evaluations in the mirror and constantly checks her heart rate throughout the day. She has previously been to the doctor's office 4 times within the past year, and each time claiming to have a different illness. Today, Tina has went to her primary caregiver armed with multiple internet searches on the topic of cancer. She states that she just knows she has cancer, but doesn't know what type. And when asked about relevant symptoms, she's a bit vague and says that she just has some pain here and there. So, in this case, we can see that Tina is clearly showing us signs from the diagnostic criteria by just simply performing these constant self-evaluations before work, after work. And then even though she's not evaluating herself throughout the day, when she is at work, she's constantly checking her heart rate as if like maybe she thinks something's wrong. And we can also see an indication of the fact that she's been to the doctor's office 4 times in the past year, and each time she has been claiming to have a different illness. And this time she's at the doctor's office and she's actually presenting the doctor with internet searches on cancer. And although she's not a health physician, she just knows that she has cancer, you know? So, yeah, this is my presentation, guys. And I hope that you guys learned more about illness anxiety disorder than you did before and that you walked away with more knowledge. Have a nice day, guys.